All right, we are going to remove the door panel, and it is going to be 2 screws. It is going to be one here and one here. This is a T30, but first we need to remove this piece. We got 2 spaces. If you pass by your hand here, you got 2 spaces, one right here and then another one somewhere here, right here. So there is a space for you to insert your tool and then pull it. I'm going to use the all right, so it's the same way you put it back in and just push. All right, just center it right there. This one is a little off right there, and then snap it in. Okay, we're going to take it off. I got one screw here and one screw here. Where are my fingers? See my 2 fingers. See my 2 fingers. That's good. Fine. So one screw here and one screw here. So we got T20. Perfect. All right, T20. And you don't want to lose your screw, so you use your magnet. With your screw on the side of the door, and you just got this other one. Right. Got 2 screws. Now everything is about the clips now. So you grab one of the corners. I like this corner. I'm going to pull from here. Enough. Then your door panel is off. Now let's take a look at this clip. So this clip, the only thing that you gotta do is just release this one. Release this one. You see this thing here. You gotta release it, and this one goes up. Okay. So this one you have to release it, and then this one you can flip it up like this. On the front it is a clip here. So to put it back, you just snap it in, and to put it up, well, it is really loose. This one is just like you gotta pull, and that's it. So that one, take it off, that clip. And I'm going to unplug cables. These cables, you just come off. Simple. This is the light on the bottom. So plug it. Got some clips on here. Just open up, and then the controls for the door handle. So the controls for the door handle. And I gotta take care of the controls for the door handle. And this control from the door handle has a clip here that you have to push it, and this one it will lift, and this one it will slide out. So this part anchors, and this part has the clip that this one goes up. So we're going to use the straight dentist tool. Where is it? And then we are going to open up. Oh man, this is a little hard. So I'm going to lift it with my squeegee. And I'm going to reach. Yeah, I can't really. Gotta switch, but I got a clip in there, so I gotta push. Give me some light here. Don't see it. You see that clip? It's the one that I have to push, but I don't see it precise. Where is the clip? Didn't found it. All right, there is. So now you gotta slide out, and then it's free. Okay, you got this system that you gotta open up. I think I'm not sure. Up and down and up and back. So you gotta open up. Okay, there is. So you gotta insert your tool here, lift it and push it back. So this one will, you push this one and release. All right, now we are going to remove the speaker, and that is really simple. Just get this piece out, and everything is going to open up. If you push it this way, everything is going to open up, and you will found 1, 2, and 3. So 3 screws, 1, 2, 3, and you got this switch over here. So you got these clips that you have to move. This is 1, and this is 2, the other one. So you got this one and this one. So you're going to come and squish it, both of them, and jiggle it. Jiggle it, and then you got this out. So your mirror is pretty much free. Now this one is when I need the T30. So I got my tool, T30 for this. Right. So you know, screw it. 1, 2, 3. Now we are going to remove the mirror. Just jiggle it a little bit, soft, little by little. It's going to get out. You got your mirror out.